In the world of money, time is your most valuable asset. It is potentially more important than any investment choice you will ever make. If you were to read hundreds of financial books, you would find one thing in common. Time is as important of a factor as any in investment success. Stick with us until the end, and you will have the power of TVM at your side. The absolutely most important financial knowledge for you to start with is right here. Understanding the time value of money, or TVM, is not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the language of wealth. It's the secret ingredient that turns pennies saved today into a fortune tomorrow. Ignoring TVM is like leaving money on the table. You're missing out on the opportunity to grow your wealth exponentially. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education, grasping TVM is crucial. This isn't just about getting rich quick. It's about making your money work hard for you over the long haul. By understanding how money grows over time, you can make informed decisions and secure your financial future. Take control of your financial destiny. Learn the language of wealth. Let's talk specifically about TVM modeling. I suggest using a financial calculator to model scenarios until you become an expert. I will place a free one in the description below. Master the time value of money. Implement this strategy as early and with anything that you can. The time value of money boils down to a simple yet powerful concept. Money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. This is because money has earning potential. Invested wisely, it can generate interest, dividends, or capital gains. Let's illustrate with an example. You have $1,000 today. If you invest it at a 5% annual return, it will be worth $1,050 in a year. This is the power of earning power. Your money has made you more money. The longer you let your money work, the more powerful the effect becomes. This is due to the magic of compounding, which we'll explore in detail later. The key takeaway is this: time literally turns your pennies into fortunes. Don't underestimate the power of consistent investing, even with small amounts. Start early, stay invested, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Understanding the difference between simple and compound interest is crucial. Think of it as the tortoise and the hare of the financial world. Simple interest is straightforward. It's calculated only on the principal amount. For example, if you invest $1,000 at 5% simple interest for 2 years, you'll earn $50 each year, 5% of $1,000. Your total earnings after 2 years would be $100. Compound interest, on the other hand, is the real game changer. It's often called interest on interest. With compound interest, your earnings are reinvested and you earn interest on both the principal and the accumulated interest. Using the same example, $1,000 at 5% compound interest for 2 years would yield a different result. In the first year, you'd earn $50. However, in the second year, you'd earn interest on $1,050, the principal plus the first year's interest, resulting in $52.50 of interest. The magic of compounding creates a snowball effect. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows, outpacing simple interest by a significant margin. Inflation is a silent thief that eats away at the purchasing power of your money. It's the increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. What you could buy for $100 today might cost $105 or more next year. When investing, it's crucial to consider inflation's impact. If your investments don't outpace inflation, you're actually losing purchasing power, even if your account balance is growing. Let's say you earn a 3% return on your investment, but inflation is running at 2%. Your real return after adjusting for inflation is only 1%. This is why it's essential to aim for investments that offer returns higher than the inflation rate. Don't let inflation silently erode your wealth. Seek investments that provide inflation-beating returns. Stay informed about inflation rates and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Dividends are like bonus payments for being an investor. They are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to shareholders. Imagine owning a piece of a business that pays you regularly for simply being an owner. When it comes to time value of money, dividends play a significant role. Reinvesting dividends allows you to purchase more shares, which in turn can generate more dividends. This creates a powerful compounding effect, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Not all funds pay dividends, but those that do can be a powerful tool for long-term investors. By reinvesting dividends, you harness the power of compounding to supercharge your returns. When selecting funds, consider those with a history of dividend payments and growth. Reinvesting those dividends can significantly enhance your long-term investment outcomes. Let's dive into real-world scenarios to illustrate the power of time value of money, particularly the benefits of starting early. Imagine a consistent 10% annual return on your investments, a reasonable average for long-term stock market performance. We'll compare three individuals: Sarah, who starts investing $5,000 annually at age 25, John, who starts with the same amount at age 35, and Emily, who begins at age 45. They all invest for 45 years, 35 years, and 25 years, respectively. Sarah's early start gives her a significant advantage. By consistently investing $5,000 annually from age 25 to 70, she accumulates a staggering $3.6 million. This highlights the snowball effect of compounding over time. Starting early allows you to capitalize on the magic of compounding for a longer period. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to work for you, generating exponential growth. While Sarah enjoys the fruits of her early start, John, who began investing a decade later, witnesses a considerable difference in his investment outcome. Despite investing the same amount annually, his total accumulation at age 70 is significantly lower than Sarah's. John's investment grows to a respectable $1.3 million by age 70. However, the difference between his and Sarah's final amount underscores the substantial impact of those lost 10 years of compounding. This comparison demonstrates that even a seemingly small delay in starting can significantly impact your long-term wealth. Procrastinating on your investment journey could cost you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in potential returns. Emily, who begins investing at age 45, faces an even steeper uphill battle. Despite investing the same $5,000 annually, her later start significantly limits her investment growth potential. By age 70, Emily accumulates around $432,000. While this is a considerable sum, it pales in comparison to Sarah and John's results. The shortened time frame for compounding significantly hinders her wealth-building efforts. Emily's situation highlights that while it's never too late to start investing, delaying it comes at a cost. You might need to invest significantly more to catch up with those who started earlier. Don't fall into the trap of procrastination. The sooner you begin your investment journey, the better your chances of achieving your financial goals. The scenarios of Sarah, John, and Emily vividly illustrate the incredible power of compounding. It's not about hitting a home run with a single investment, it's about consistently investing over time and letting the magic of compound growth work its wonders. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Delaying your investment journey only makes it harder to achieve your financial goals. Remember, even small amounts invested consistently can lead to significant wealth over time. Don't underestimate the power of starting early and letting time work its magic. The time value of money is not just a financial concept. It's a fundamental principle that can shape your financial future. Understanding and harnessing its power can be the key to achieving your financial goals and securing your financial well-being. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The best time was yesterday, the next best time is today. Start small if you have to, but start now. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and patience are key. By investing early and letting the power of compounding work its magic, you'll be well on your way to building a brighter financial future.